Hello everyone, today we are going to explain the modal verb would, and we are going to explain all its functions in a sentence. Without wasting your time, let's move on and discuss it in detail. Well, the first usage is would is used to make requests. As you know that request refers to the act of asking for something, but we can ask for something in different ways. But using would is very polite way of asking something or persuading someone to do something for you. For example, would you drop my son to his school? In this sentence, you request someone politely to drop your son to his school. And the second example is, would you lend me your mobile phone for a minute? Again, if you say this sentence, it means that you politely request someone to give you his mobile phone. And the second usage is, it is used to show desires or wishes. Yes, you are right, it shows desires or wishes. For example, she would like you to sing for her. It means that it is her desire that you sing for her. So here would is used to show desire. And look at another example. My mother would like to see my kids before she dies. It is the desire of my mother to see my kids before she dies. So here again shows desires. It is used for unreal or hypothetical situation. What does it mean? It means that when we talk about a situation that is unreal and hypothetical, so we can use would in order to show it. For example, just look at the sentence. If I were a doctor, I would treat you. Here in this sentence, would is used for unreal situation because I cannot become a doctor now to treat you. So would is also be used for unreal or hypothetical situation because it is unreal situation that how can I become a doctor right now in order to treat you. So it is unreal. And look at another example. If I had more money, I would visit UK. It is hypothetical and unreal situation because I do not have money for visiting UK. And the next usage is, it is used for past habits. For example, in my childhood, my father would take us to park every Sunday. It means that it was our habit to go to park every Sunday. So here would is used for talking about past habits. And look at another example. My brother would cry before going to school. It was the habit of my brother to cry before going to school. Simply again, it is used to talk about past habit because it was the habit of my brother whenever he was going to school, so before that he would cry. It is used for offer. Offer means presenting something to someone. For example, would you like some more tea? If you tell this sentence, it means you are offering someone more tea in polite manner. And look at another example. Would you like to come along with us? It means that you are given an offer politely that if you like to come with us. And well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture, please like and subscribe the channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.